it a try. Share it, what you feel.
Yes.
They might help you and take care of our parents till they are alive, and we have to make sure. And it is sad when our parents are gone, then we think, okay, I might have done that, I might have done that. But of course, when they are gone, they are gone. Spend your time, that quality time with your family. And I
Yes.
guess living.
So, cadaver donation wasn't so common in India, and still it is not very popular because people they hesitate to give their organs. And donations,
Donation. What is the first term which you used?
cadaver.
No, I'm not aware of
I'll
it.
just write it down. Yes, I'll just write it down. I think it should be cadaver. It is organ donation. CA. Have you heard about it?
Yeah. I wasn't aware of the term, but yes, I did. Like, I am aware of it, the procedure which you are referring to. The
Okay. I think I've spelled it correctly, but you'll have to just
Okay,
check. It is cadaver donation.
okay,
Uh, so it is the organ donation when a body is brain dead. They are uh, family can take this decision that they would like to donate the organs of the brain dead body, brain dead man, and they can donate the organs so that the person who requires those organs can be benefited. And it could be, three people can take it, five people can take it, and so many people can get new life because of just that organ, which was not to be used by that person.
is it
So,
only confined? I have a question on this.
yes.
Is it only, is it only confined only with those people who have died due to brain injury, like brain clotting and all,
Uh,
or can be?
Mostly it is, they call it, they only brain dead people can donate, because
What is
otherwise
by
all the other organs, yes, I think so, because all other organs would not be of any use from the normal dead body. But when a brain dead body is there and there are no chances of survival, then they can donate it.
so I'm thinking on the right platform, right? So my thinking is
Right
right,
direction. Yes.
right direction, that
Yes.
it is applied only for those dead bodies, like for only for those people who have died due to brain injury or
Brain dead, yes, yes,
yeah.
or anything which has happened, or because they sustain some injuries, or because of some clotting or anything. It could be because of some clotting also, it could happen that they could be brain dead. So cadaver donation wasn't so common in India, and still it is not very popular because people they hesitate to give their organs. And now even the doctors, and there are so many organizations who are working on this. So today I read this in the newspaper, so I just thought of sharing. In Rajasthan, 2 lakh give consent for organ donation. And what did they do is that they will get the license only if they sign this form.
Okay, okay,
That
okay.
is what they have done it. So 2 lakh people, they agreed to sign this form, and they have made this as a uh, you know they, and it's a very good idea that when they come for taking this license, they have to be responsible drivers.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
when you are responsible, you will take care that you don't meet with an accident, and you neither drive rashly on the roads.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
two
right.
purposes are solved. One is that they have actually taken a word from them that they will donate the organs if they meet with an accident, and
Okay.
secondly, that they would be a responsible drivers on the road.
I guess this is indeed a very good initiative. That
Very good
yeah,
initiative. I was very happy to read this, so I thought that I'll share it with you.
yeah,
And
very good initiative. Yeah.
yes, and this cadaver donation was not very popular, as I said that in 2006 or 7. There were hardly anyone who gave the donations, because they feel that if something goes out of your body, you will not, in the next generations, you will not uh, have that. That is what they say. Even if we donate our eyes, they think that if you donate your eyes, there are notions that in the next generation you will not have your eyes, something of that sort. So they don't like to part with
Okay.
any of their
So these
organs.
are kind of
Yes, there's myth is there. Yes. So that was one thing I just wanted to share. And secondly, I wanted to, there's another news item which I thought that it is so hard for parents to let adult children leave home. So do you agree to it?
it is, yeah, yeah. And it is really hard. I guess, especially in India, I guess,
Yes.
like in abroad, it is like they have this thing in their culture. I guess they have
Yes.
already imbibed like since generations. Like as soon as the children grow up, so they leave house and they, they say that okay, now we are independent. I guess parents only push their children outside. Like you have to go out and you have to work. And if you are
Yes.
planning to live with us, you have to pay for the rent or whatnot. But in India, though we have this great cultural diversity here, still, uh, it is so hard to let our children go when they grow up, or when we see our children living apart from the family. And it happens when the children get married, when they grow up,
Hmm.
when they and you know wife would sometimes say, okay, now we need that personal space.
Space.
So, and I guess this would be a shattering point for the parents, because of
Yes.
course they have done everything for their children, and when now it's their turn, uh, like children turn to
Should
return
give it
what
back.
to give it back, you know, or at least give all the love. They do not want, like, parents do not believe in those materialistic things. They just
Hmm.
want that love, attention. They seek
Yes.
attention. That is all
Yes.
they want. And if you're living apart from your family, like no matter how many gifts you give to your parents, no matter how many dresses you give to your parents, that wouldn't really matter to them. Of course, they would show, okay, that they are really happy when they receive those kind of gifts, and of course they would appreciate your gesture. But the best gesture is to spend your time, that quality time, with your family. And I
Yes.
guess living apart from a family is not a very wise decision. Like we ought to take care of our parents till they are alive, and we have to make sure. And it is sad when our parents are gone, then we think, okay, I might have done that, I might have done that. But of course, when they are gone, they are gone. So,
Yes. There's
so
nobody
why
to
not?
see them.
Yeah. So why not give everything back to? And they just need time, your time. So yeah, I am really totally against it. And when like in my family as well, like relatives and everything, and even my friends, they say, for us, do you plan to go abroad? You know, like have you? My elder cousins, they always tell me when I was working at Travel Profile, why don't you apply for a job outside?
Hmm.
I always say one thing. What I was saying, I cannot live apart from my family. Not even I, like going abroad is altogether a different story. I cannot go in a different state even.
Okay.
I can just think myself traveling, but yes, not to stay there and work. No. So yeah,
Okay.
this is my opinion. Yeah,
Yes.
because I guess I'm a very family oriented guy. I'm a very family oriented person. I guess that is why I'm so in. But I believe that this kind of mentality everyone should have. So
Yes.
this is what I think.
Good. Great. That's very nice. And that is what I was reading today in the paper. So I just thought that this is a good platform where you can share. And this is the topic which is in trend nowadays, because they think that uh, because of social media, also generation gap, social media, all these things have come up, and people are seeing the difference in their behaviors, even the parents and even the children. So do you feel any generation gap between you and your parents?
Sometimes there are a difference in opinions. So like when I say something, they of course they would understand, but I guess that is fine. That is normal, you know. And I try to explain them, and later on, so of course at times I get hyper. You know, okay, why can't you understand that? Why can't you understand this? But still, I somehow realize it. Of course, there is a great gap, and of course, and there are so many things that they know which I wouldn't have any clue about, and I always seek advice from them.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
there is indeed the fact is there is indeed that generation gap, but yes, we can minimize that surely, and that is only possible by sharing your thoughts more with your parents. Whatever you are thinking, if you keep everything inside, just thinking that okay they won't understand, that wouldn't work.
Hmm.
Give it a try. Share it what you feel. They
Yes.
might help you and they will surely help you. And of course, they are far more experienced and they have seen life, all the ups and
Yes.
downs. So, yeah, actually, the main problem is that we assume a lot.
Yes.
That is also another thing.
So are they on social media, your parents?
No.
No.
And they do not want to use. No, no, they are totally against it. I always ask my mom, that I should get you a mobile. Like she has a mobile, but that she's really
The
happy with
old
that
one.
small, the Nokia mobile I had given to her.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, she doesn't want that fancy smartphone. She
Okay.
doesn't want that. I always keep telling her. And my father, like he doesn't believe, like he cannot,
Okay.
like yeah.
Great. And you are their only child, or you have any other siblings?
I have one more sibling. Yeah, he's my elder brother. He's working as an automotive journalist. He
Okay.
writes for, yeah, because he is into this media industry. So now he has his good name in this industry, and
Do we
like
know him?
yes,
Do we know him?
his name is Shiraz. So you
Shiraz.
can, yeah, and now he has like whatever he does, like the BMW guys, they call him, and whatever like a new car comes and whenever there is a new launch, so he's been called, and so he
Great.
is in a separate place to review only cars and bikes. So yeah, and
So
he has
has he done
immense
any
knowledge.
course regarding that, or he has
No,
just
that's
the
the best
passion
part.
for? Yes.
He just sheer passion, and he has this immense knowledge. You can ask him anything related to
Okay.
bikes and cars. Yeah.
Okay.
And then he has that World War II Jeep released Jeep as well. He has five
Mm-hmm.
bikes, all
Okay.
classic bikes. So he is a bike enthusiast and car
So
enthusiast.
does he even go for long drives and rides?
Yeah,
Like,
he's traveling all the time. Yeah, he's traveling all the time. So
okay.
so what generally happens whenever there is a new launch of any car or any bike, so he's being called by the company, by the brand, and so they would have him stay in a hotel, and everything would be facilitated
Everything will be
by
taken care of. Yes.
yeah,
Hmm.
by them. Yeah, the flight charges, hotel accommodation, everything. So
Great. Great.
and but having said that, it is a very responsible job, because let's say he would be driving a 50 lakh car. He would need to take care of that car while driving. He would go to places, but he would need to make sure that nothing happens to the car. Of course,
Hmm.
if you're driving that big expensive car, and yes, he has that responsibility on his shoulders too, that whatever he writes, he really need to be careful that whatever
Yes, that
information
is
that
what I
he is
was saying.
giving,
That to print
it is a
anything.
brain drain. Yeah, so it
Yes.
is that crucial. So
Yes.
yeah, and to send back the car to the, so it is a very lengthy process.
But
It
I
is
thought
not
that
just that.
if you are writing a review, it is the responsibility of the brands to give, and whatever, if something goes wrong, it is their responsibility. Why your brother, or why whoever is writing for it should be responsible?
okay, why I was referring, what I was referring to it, what I meant was that something, okay, if something is bad, like if something is lacking in the car or in the bike, that he will certainly write, but he can't go wrong with his writing. Let's say,
Maybe that I understand. That I
yeah,
understand.
yeah, yeah.
But
So that
what I,
he will
yes,
say,
no,
yeah,
what I meant was that you said that you have to be responsible because it should not be damaged, or when he's driving the car, it should, you have to be careful while driving. So if any damage to the car, that needs to be taken care by the company itself.
that is
By
being taken care of.
yes,
Yeah, yeah, right, 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 right. Okay, you were talking about the property
yes,
that he gets. Yeah,
yes,
see, you are right on that part, but still he has that. There are other
yes.
reviewers as
You
well.
have
You
to
know,
be responsible. You have to be responsible. I agree to it.
yeah, they think, okay, they've got a car, okay, it is not my car, so they would, do the drifting and all. They would
Yes.
drive it in a very harsh manner. But my elder brother, he's like that. He considers the car or the bike that he gets. So, like he takes care more than his own car or bike.
Hmm.
So he's that kind
Great.
of. That is why the manufacturers, you know, have that great faith in him. So
Hmm.
they know that that Shiraz is one guy, that Shiraz is one journalist, that he is honest and he's very true to his job, and like he's the right guy for the job.
Yes,
They
I
always
understood
know.
because see what happens. They also should feel that he's reliable and he can be trusted.
That yes, that our product is in right hands.
Yes.